All right, so we believe it's going to take the high before it's going to take the low. All-time high here, 77. We believe it's going to take it, go to 80. This is going to be a by way of, and then it's on its way to 86. We're going to pay real close attention to 73, and this is what's going to tell us right here. The 73 is what's going to tell us if there is a change of hands to the bear. So it's not going to be fun, because the price is going to try to shake out all of us out at 73. That's exactly what's going to happen. So the market is really twisted. Time right now, 9:25, 5 minutes to open. And we all know exactly now what to do, right? Clean break of 73. I'm expecting a continuation to 66. And that's what the smart money is looking to do. In other words, shake everybody out, bulls and bears. So we have a bias. We believe that the bulls have more power than the bears. So this 77, which we already told you, we knew the price was going to dance all over the place, right? It's an all-time high. All the amateurs are expecting it can go anymore. So let me go ahead and go short. It's true, but we need confirmation. All right. So we have a bullish bias, medium term. If the price is going to go to 86. Do you think it's going to go on a straight shot? No, especially the open. What is the smart money always look to do to shake you out? How are they going to shake you out? Taking 73. Clean break of 23. They need enough strength, and it'll take it to 66. And that's the short term. The medium term is a continuation up to 86. So 66, 86, 20 points. Right? And of course, like we always do, we know that a clean break of this no man's land 73, 75, then the bears take control. So we need to analyze and see if it's going to take 66, and it's going to continue going down all the way to let me see where. All right, so it's very important that we understand that. Right now, we are in a snake wave. So I'm not expecting a clean break of 80, and I'm not expecting a clean break of 70. That's why it's so tough today. But, so in other words, the clean taking of 75, this right here, it's a fiddle in the middle. The worst, right? All right, and to the upside, we are so close to the up of the channel. It's day trading is not about trading every day, but the right day. Okay, open coming in 30 seconds. We all know exactly what's going on. Took a couple of points of hit, right? Price went to 82. We know that we want to short 80, 81 because we are in a snake, right? So, okay, terrific. The taking of 75 is confirmation that it's going to continue to 66. It's not there yet, but we are scalping because, what can I say? So short term, everything still stays the same. Okay, those of us who took a shot 80, 81, 82 short, terrific. Price just dropped to 76, and we're scalping right now. Okay, taking here and there. We know that the medium term, it's a continuation to 86. So those of you who are waiting, no, Capi, I'm going to wait for 86, man. I'm not going to fiddle in the middle. It's okay, but we can, if we know that 80, 81 is the high of the canal that we're trading, take a shot short, right? We don't know if it's going to go to 66 yet. We don't have the odds. But if it does, we already short the high, 81, 82, right? By the time it's breaking out and latecomers are shorting the break, we already have 4, 5, 6, 7 points. Hey, Capi, so, if the price is going to 86, why, what the hell, why are we going to short 82, man? Well, 82 just went all the way to 76, and I told you, we're scalping. That's it. It goes right back up. You're not going to let ever a winner turn into a loser. And if you right? Because we know that we have a bullish bias. We've known since 9 a.m., since I told you it's right here, it's recorded, that the price is going to 86, right? So just pick a side. We're traders. We came here to trade, and we trade tops, bottoms, and everything in between. Right? Pullbacks, breakouts, retracements. You name it, we trade it. We trick it. We trick the market. So look at it. 84, we know that 81, 82 is resistance, right? And I told you it's not going to go to 80, it's not going to go to 86 on a straight line. This is how it's going to do it. So you just pick, oh, okay, so I'm going to go long, I'm going to hold in here. If the price takes 76, that's it. You know, my bullish setup and trade that I'm expecting to take me all the way to 86 is invalidated as long as 75, the high of which, by the way, I brought it down one more point to 72. It is a 3-point no man's land anymore. Okay? All right. So think about it. We know exactly at all times what the market is up to. And what does that mean? Well, that means that we know short term, medium term, and long term exactly what the market is doing and how it's going to do it. It's the only way to trade this thing. Back to 80, right? Well, I told you, it's not going to go on a straight line. It's not going to happen. Many times it does, not today, because we have a snake wave, which, by the way, is still going. That's why we are on the lookout for a break to the downside, because we know it's going to go to 66, right? And we want to take advantage of that drop from the top. Sure, you know, with a smaller position, but you know, taking points, whatever position you have, is always good. Boom, 77, right? So what do you think is going to happen right here again? We're back to dancing. Those of us who know that we are in a snake wave and we took a shot right there, 83, 84 again, we know that our risk is 86. Oh my God, well, you know, but we know it's not going to go there. So we take advantage of shorting resistance, and then 77. What the hell do you think happened right here at 77? Support become resistance, even the teenagers on YouTube know that. So there is a lot of profit taking right here, 77. Those of us who have a shot 84 to 77, we make a couple of bucks scalping. Remember that going short is a scalp short term, because the medium term, we believe, is bullish to 86. So let's go ahead and take advantage of both. Right, I don't even have to tell you, okay? 77, support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support, we all know that. So we take 84, right, all the way to 77. That's pretty good. That's 7 points that we make on that scalp. I told you, take profit, 77 right here. What do you think is happening off of 77? It became support. So the bulls, those of us who have a long position and we're gonna ride it to 86, what do? We add up to a winner, 77 long, or establish a new position if you just want to concentrate on one trade at a time. You want to be short 83, 84, you don't want to be long, terrific. You have to get the hell out 77 and establish a new position long, because you know that the strongest trend, which is the intermediate, is going to 86. Go long here, 77. I don't have to tell you, right? You know where it's going already, and we'll take it from there. All right? Not to mention, remember what I told you this morning, our goal for this long position, I kid you not, is 6,000. Alrighty? The long, we're gonna remain bullish. We're gonna remain long. We're gonna take some profits right here at 86, It's resistance, it's not a target, because we're going to 6,000 today, ladies and gentlemen. No, Cap, it's impossible, man. No way. As long as our stop is not taken, we're gonna let it ride. You have to have certain disregard for money. If you're trading money, then you're not gonna let it ride to 6,000. But if you're trading and doing exactly what I say the market is gonna do, because it's up to you whether you do it or not, then you're gonna be happy like you've been happy for the last 20 years that I've had this trading room. So if you are money motivated, then yeah, sure, because you know that it's okay with me if you get out 1 point below our target, 86. 1 point above, 1 point below, somewhere around there, 1 point below, yeah, I'm okay, right? If you are money motivated, okay? But if you want to be the best trader in the world, which is what we aim to be, then just follow the plan. Oh my God, look, Cappy, look at from 85, man, we didn't make our 86 by 1 point. I should have gotten now. That's because you're trading money. We don't care about the money, okay? When I say you know, I'm talking about that trader that is doing that. I know that none of you here in the room are doing that, right? Okay, so gas at 10:30. We already had at 8:30 the productivity costs and the no more major releases anymore. The jobless claims, right? So the market already revealed itself to us. Just let's go. All right. All right. Look at all the effort and all the time it took to go to a measly 86, right? Isn't that exactly what we said? All right. So those of you strong, real professional traders that let it ride, and you're gonna go exactly to where we say price is gonna go, and you let it go exactly to 86, and then you're taking profits right here, right now, 86. You should feel pretty good with yourself, because when the price goes to our target like this, it's a pain in the butt, isn't it? All right. So there's a lot of it's real. This drop here is a little bit real. 88.90. It's not going to be taken easily. If it is taking, then it's going to continue going all the way to 93. That's where it's going. There's a lot of short scalping right here off of 88.90. Scalp short. Don't touch the 6,000 destination, a target, a bullish play that we're on. This is just a short scalping here, 90, 88, 90. Okay, knowing that this baby is going all the way to not knowing. That sounded stupid. We don't know. The odds says that we are still in a bullish medium term, and we're going to do everything in our power to let it ride to 6,000. In the meantime, we know that this is going to be an okay resistance to take a couple of shorts, expecting the price to go to 84, and then we're going to see how it behaves at 84. We know 86 is a key level, right? Remember 86? This was our first level of resistance where we took profits, 86, 87, 88, right? Target 1, not really. There are no targets today. That's just a level of resistance. Like 6,000 is a target. Here, this is not. So the short 88, what are we expecting to happen? Play around here, 85, 86, 85, 86, 85. Take it, and the bears taking control and take it all the way back to our 80. That's the objective for this 88.90 short. And remember, If all this move up, it's been nothing but a bear squeeze. The smart money has been taking it up, making everybody believe that the price is going to continue going up, like we believe it's going to go all the way to 6,000. And then all of a sudden, the big money, they're going to bam, turn around, recoil, drop the price, and then they're going to, a lot of amateurs are going to get caught, right? Going long, and they're going to start adding to a loser, because they cannot tell when there is a pullback, a real pullback resistance developing. And the smart money knows that, and that's exactly what they do to take advantage of all the, the retail traders. The retail traders, by the way, it's not a big deal. There's no money there. It's just that that's the way the market is so easily manipulated. That's all. All right, so we're going to narrow it down to 88. 88, it's an extremely important level. The bulls, those of us who have an okay position and we want to take it to 6,000, as long as the price is above 88, right here, right now, 88, we are confident that it'll continue going. 88. Below 88, short term, the bears in control. So the position going to 6,000, even though it looks like there's no way, man, the market is going to go to 6,000 today. Don't think about it. All right. As long as the price is above 88, it will. All right. So we need to understand that. Hey, CAPI, how is it going to go to 6,000? Right. That's exactly what we want to know. By way of 93. Okay. So what's the strategy, CAPI? Above 88, we're confident we're gonna reach 6,000, and we're gonna make our long right here from 75 to 6,000, 25 points. Nothing to write home about, but that's our objective. Okay. So hey, what about the short term, the scalp, and this resistance right here, 90, 88? Okay. By way of 93, right? So the bear that wants a better risk-reward ratio for this scalp, right? We're not gonna get out of our long that we're gonna ride it all the way to 6,000. You just leave that alone. We just want to make a couple of bucks in the way. How? Well, by way of 93, right? Well, by way of 93 means that that's gonna be a good resistance, to. It's going to be a good resistance. It's like a squeeze, right? Smart money knows that we know that 90, it's the beginning of resistance. But they have to squeeze you. Where to? All the way to 93. There are traders that don't care. 3 points to squeeze, that's nothing. If I believe what I'm doing, right? If I know what I'm doing. And then other traders say, you know what? I'll just wait for 93. If it doesn't get there and it drops and it goes to hell, then I miss it. Tomorrow's another day. That's all there is to it. But I'm more comfortable just taking the best level. So I'm now going to establish a new position long here, 90. I told you, 90 short, right? What's the price right now? 87. So we just made, the 90 short just made what? 87, three and a half quarter point, right? That scalp right there. In 3 seconds? That's pretty good. The other ones that are waiting for 93, they're just watching the drop. We are day traders. We come here every single day to day trade, and that's what we do. What do you think 86 is? So poor, wasn't it? Wasn't 86 the first resistance where we locked some profits right there? 86. Price finally took it. It goes to the next resistance, which we know exactly which one it is, and then it drops right back down to 86. Cannot take it. Bounce. Add to a winner. Strong bulls. Add to a winner right here, 86, 87, because we want to continue going all the way to 6,000 for 25 points. Not big deal, but it's FOMC day today. 25 points today before the announcement. It's not too shabby. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 95, right? 5 more. We want 5 more to our 6,000. Come on, baby. Look at the way, look at the way the price took our by way of 93. Look the way it took it. What does that tell you? That tells you that there is a lot of, there are a lot of traders trapped right there. Look at that beautiful breakout right off of 93, which we've known since an hour ago, right? Or more. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 96, 4 more points. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, 6,000 is target 1. So why is 6,000 target 1? Because it's resistance. And if it's resistance, what do? We short. We buy support and we sell resistance, right? That's what we do. All right. So there, of course, there are a lot of levels in between that we need to be aware of, like our 93 right there. Beautiful 93. Look, look at the way it broke out, right? So now, strong bulls, they're getting long right here, right now, 95. We're long since 75. We're already up 20 points, right? They're just getting long right there. We've been patient, riding this baby all the way to 6,000. What is 93? It's a by way of. What does that mean? That means that it's minor resistance. And it doesn't take a genius to know that because of the market condition today, and we have 86, right, all the way to 6,000, right? Remember, our latest take profit was 86. So 86, 6,000. What's the mid range? It's 93. You don't have to be a genius to know, right? What you need to know is 6,086. Why 86? Why 6,000? Other than we all know that 6,000 is a psychological level, and no matter what. But it just so happens that today, and you know it because you hear me a million times, it just happens to be one of our system resistance, 6,000. You know, you want to get out. Oh, what do you mean target 1? Are you kidding me? After this loan that we took 77, and we're gonna ride it all the way to 6,000. I'm getting the hell completely all out today, man. That's it. It's a FOMC day, and it's been forever. This is not being easy, even though it's flowing. It's nicely flowing, just like you said you was gonna do. I'm not gonna risk anymore. I'm bringing my trail up. I'm gonna ride it to 6,000. I'm all out, and then, bam! I'm out of here. Play tennis. Well, those of us who have more fun trading than playing golf, I'll stay. I'm gonna make a decision as to what's gonna happen at 6,000. Whether there's gonna be a recall, is it worth it to take a bigger position as a counter trend, or is it gonna break 6,000 and is it gonna continue going up? Are you kidding? It's not even 11 yet. Right, so we're gonna be in this chart right here, right, 86, right? Is that 80? No, 84 here, 84, 84, 84, and this high of day 96. Okay, we're gonna be there for a while. All right, but the important thing is that the odds that we are still in an uptrend to 6,000 is are still the odds. Okay, so the odds are with the bulls, and not only that, but we have to watch it. Right time right now it's 11:15, so we have to watch because we know that there could be a nasty drop any second. That's it. That's our cue to keep what we've made so far and go play tennis. Unless, like me, you want to continue trading, and then we're going to start looking to short. All right? As long as 86, 84 is not taken, we believe we're going to reach 6,000. How long is it going to take? Who the hell knows? All right, ladies and gentlemen, so from our base 75 that we've been running the medium term play all the way to 6,000. But remember that we had some profit taking at 86, right? Remember 86? So that's 11 points. And then we won an additional 14 points from our 86 to 6,000. All right, so we've reached almost 97. So that's an additional 11, 12 points. And 6,000, of course, some of us were going to counter trend it. But the main play is still bullish. And, ladies and gentlemen, I kid you not, I am expecting now a break of 6,000 and a continuation to 60-20. Oh my God, 20 more points, CAPI? Sure, as long as the price doesn't take our trail, let it ride, okay? It could take all. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I believe this is a 99 quarter. You know, I'm okay if you get out 1 point below, 1 point above, somewhere around there, right? So if you get out 99, which a lot of you do, then we just made 11 points on our first take profit, 86, and we just made 13 points on this second. And remember this morning when we were here, nobody, 6,000, oh my God, 6,000, no, there's no way, man, we're going to 6,000 today. And we knew it. We've known it all morning long. We were strong. We were patient. We hung in there, and we got our 99. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we wanted an additional 20 points. We wanted a run from 6,000 all the way to 620, and we only got 13 for a grand total of 38 points today. All right, well, tomorrow is another day, I guess, right? And remember, if it's not live, it's not real.